สวัสดีครับ Good morning, everyone. And today we would like to present the ideas of reverse vending machine. So first, let's get into the current problem. So the problem is that the recycling costs are high in Thailand because we have to manually sort it out, right? So what if we are able to sort it out beforehand? And our recycling rate is also quite low, standing at 22%. Now we came up with the solutions, and it's a reverse vending machine, which is gonna be able to decrease the labor cost, automate the sorting and recycling of plastic waste, right? And we give incentive to the user. And so here is a chart to represent the amount of solid waste in different area. And we have chosen Bangkok for this because it's one of the most densely packed area and there's a lot of traffic and we all in Bangkok we also produce a lot of trash. And another thing why we chose Bangkok is because it aligns with the 20 years development plan for the zero waste, right? And we could help reinforce the habits for a positive impact to help people recycle, and we could potentially increase Thailand's 22% recycling rate. And so here's a video to give you a basic understanding of how a reverse vending machine would work. So you can see two different trashes will separate the different type of trash which we're going to be collecting, like plastic bottles and cans. And the machine is gonna be able to sort them automatically using cameras and different sensor. And now this is when the person will come and collect the trash. Okay, now let's move on. So here's another data that shows the amount of trash, solid waste per year, and we made it in, and this is the trend for it. So we seen an increase in the year toพ.ศ. 2562 which I believe it because of COVID, and then we see a decrease after the COVID, but still there is still a large amount of trash per person. So this is the municipal solid waste in Thailand. We can see that 80% of solid waste are other waste, and 20% of it is a single-use plastics. Now let's move on to our REM. So this is will be our material and our total cost. This is going to be the prototype, which will cost around 20,000 baht. Now, from Thai Plastic Recycle Group, it tells us that only 9% or 540 million bottles out of 6,000 millions are recycled. So that is only 9%. And we look into different countries like Germany, Sweden, and North Macedonia. So in Germany, we can see an 98% participation rate in returning the PET bottle. And in Sweden, we have 90%. And in North Macedonia, we have 94%. So for our machine, we plan to implement it into different areas and working with the government, like the government school, a public concert, or other public spaces with high traffic of people. And we want to collaborate with Bangkok Waste Management, and we'll be working with them to, find spaces and also for them to collect the trash. We also plan to form partnership with different company for different incentive and rewards for like coupons and discount. And this will also help the brand to connect with the customer. It will be able to uh, help it will be able to let the customer get to know the brand and how the brand also support this eco-friendly machine. And also we have some spaces on our machine which we're going to be using for advertising, right? And we're going to be putting this machine in a high density area so the brand will be able to reach a lot of customer, and especially eco-conscious customer. So we went over a cost-efficient machine, and we have planned a strategic placement. We also aim for different partnership with different brands, and our goals is to care for the environment and also to help people, right? Help people uh, to be aware of the environment and to take care of them. Thank you.